Well, as promised, it's Castaway Girl 7 back again to finish off the lot that we didn't finish yesterday. And actually, when you see this, it's the day before that. Uh, and some extra stuff that I threw in that I had from a previous lot that I bought. So let's dig in. How about we start with this bracelet? This is really pretty. Look at this. This is really art glass. This looks like Venetian or Murano. It's cold. It's definitely glass. Look at the, it's like wedding cake. You know, is anyone familiar with that style where they decorate it like a cake? And, oh, wow. It's really pretty. These can be very expensive. I'm not sure. I didn't research any of this stuff, so I'm just laying it out, and we're going to look at it together. It's a size 7. It's got a toggle clasp, and really, see, some of it has sparkles in it. And I believe they call this Venetian wedding cake or Murano wedding cake glass. And I don't know. This is one of those things that I'm just gonna say probably $25, but I'm gonna say 7. Okay, there's that. $7 for that. What a deal. Wow. Let's look at, I don't know where to start. There's some things here that are really weird. Let's do these. I have 3 of these. And they are, if you have a little girl in your life, a granddaughter, daughter, yourself, that's a Barbie fan, this necklace is, do you see what it says there? It says Barbie. And I believe the reverse side says Mattel, which is who makes Barbie. And it's a little dainty necklace, and I saw one like it on, I did research this. It has little pink, this hangs, this is the bottom. It's a little pink flower, of course pink, and little pink stones, little pink crystals, and pearls, and then more pink crystals, and they're in little gold cases, or whatever you want to call that. And there's the Barbie tag. So it is authentic Barbie merchandise. And I saw one very similar to it. It was a little bit different, and it was like $25. And I have one. They're all identical, guys. They were in a lot that I got, so get ready for a deal. Here's 2, and there's the Barbie tag, and here's 3. Okay, 25. How about $10 a piece? So if you want just one, that's fine. If you want all 3, good for you. If you have people, you know, you want to give them to, $10 for the Barbie Mattel necklaces. I think that's a deal. On to, oh, this one is really pretty. It's unusual. It's not unusual, but it's silver knot. There's a knot. This is why I'm giving it to you. You're buying it with a knot. You have to take the knot out. I am not a good person with that kind of stuff. And I think it's, I'm trying to remember, I don't know if this is silver or not. Let's see if it says anything on here. This is where it would say it. I'm gonna have to get the loop. Hang on, guys. I'm sorry, but we're doing this together, and we have to be a little patient. And I'm trying to do this as quickly. Okay, that side said nothing. And this side says, oh, 18 karat gold plate. So it's white gold. Oh, wow. This is 18 karat white gold. Plate. It's not 18 karat gold. I'm not going to sell it to you if it's 18 karat gold. I'm going to keep it. But 18 karat gold plate. Oh, wow. It's a little box with a crystal in it, is what it is. Can you see that? And it's probably 16 inches long, I'm guessing. Wow, I'm gonna say $10 on that one. That is gold. Here's something cute. A little turtle with, I guess, does he have all his stones? Okay, no name, just a silver. Let me see if it's magnetic. Oh, it's magnetic. Okay, so it's not sterling or anything like that. How about the turtle? I can tell from the back. Yeah, it's magnetic. But it's about 18 inches long, and that's the back. And here he is. He's got little black eyes. There he is. He's cute. I'll say $3 for him. The little turtle. Look at this necklace. Isn't this unusual? Wow. I don't know what that is. It's green and black. And it's in this gold. Oh, look at the back of it. I just had it laying out like this and I hadn't really looked at it. Look at that chain. What is that chain? I don't know that chain. Do you? Look at the clasp. Wow. Oh, gosh. Is this gold? I don't know. Let me see if it says anything. I don't see anything at first glance. I don't see anything. That chain is like almost not mesh, but like it's knitted gold or something. Is it magnetic? Here, why do I always forget to do that? It's not. Oh my. Is this magnetic? No, nothing is magnetic. Oh dear. And these are, I'm gonna get back to you on this one. I'll give you a price on this when I edit the video. I have to research this. This is really, do you see that chain? It almost looks like it's knitted or whatever, woven gold. If it's gold, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna test it and everything. That's it looks like about 16 inches long. Look at this one. Is this which stone is, I don't know if they're real or not. I'm gonna have to check them too. This is a long, no clasp, just little gold beads in between. Like it looks like amethyst. What's white? I can't think right now. Green would be jade. This might be citrine. You know, it's supposed to be all the different stones. Peridot, whatever, jadeite. And, oh no, it does. I lied. It has a barrel clasp. Oh, it has a two-tone. Look at that. That's odd. It has a two-tone colored barrel clasp. I'm gonna check it for you and I'll give you a price. I want to see if it's real. I don't know if those are real stones or not. And this necklace is pretty. Look at this. And this has, there's the back. It's very long. Oh, and it's got a, it's got a tag. Oh, okay. Do you know who that is? The Clover. It's Lucky Brand. Oh, okay. And you can adjust it a little bit. See how they do theirs really nice. Not just a chain hanging. Okay, this is really long. I'm going to say it's about 30 inches. And there's what it looks like. And it's Lucky Brand. And I'm going to say a deal for you, $5. Now I'm going to get into some, I have this one thing that's not an earring. It's a, that was my squeaky cabinet door in the kitchen. Did you hear that? My husband's in the kitchen. This is a tie. It was in there in the box with the other stuff. And it's a tie clip, I guess you call it. But it's got a key and it's got a name. Let me see if it's Swank. Hang on. No, it's Jolle, Jolly? Oh, I think I've heard of them too. I think they're in that right. Anyhow, it's a cute, very vintage tie clip by Jolie. See, you can see it right there. Jolle. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's magnetic. Okay. I'm gonna say $1. Hey, how about that? Oh, and I missed this. This is a little tiny bracelet. And I don't know what these are. Little blue stones. It's really tiny. Does it look tiny to you? Looks tiny to me. But guess what? It's a size 7. It's not. It's very average size. And I don't know if that's sterling. This clasp would tell me. Hang on, let me check. It's crazy when you do it as we're going along because I'm like, oh dear. Okay, what is it? Oh, it says something. Wait a minute. How about that other one being 18 karat gold plate? 18 karat white gold. This one says Korea. It's not. I thought it said it was going to say sterling. It's Korea. I'm going to say $2. Okay. Now I have a bunch of earrings. Some of them are really small, like these. These are little studs. And I believe, don't they look like cat's eye? With that white line down the middle? But this one, oh, wait a minute. These are 2 different earrings. Hey, look at this. Hey, for those of you with multiple piercings, this is a, some kind of a stone. Oh, I wonder if these are, I need to check. The backs are similar. Look at that. What the heck? Who would, you know what? Let me check them out. And I will probably sell them individually. I need to see what the stone is on this one. And this one I think is a cat's eye. I'll let you know on those too. And this is just real vintage. Look at this pin. That's for me, Joan. Jay. Of course, I don't wear pins that much anymore. I should, but I don't, being a jewelry person. I wonder if it's gold. It's really old. I'm gonna test it. Let me see. Wait, let me see. Magnetic? No, not magnetic. I'm gonna test it. So I gotta test that too. Okay. And these are very old. Look at these. They look like cufflinks, don't they? But they're not. They're pierced earrings. That's the back. And I don't see any marks on them. I wonder if they're real diamonds. I don't know. They're very mid-century, aren't they? They're cool, actually. They're very cool, actually. Oh, They should go on eBay, maybe. But anyhow, as I always do, I offer to you first. And let's see. Ooh, how about $5 on those? I have a feeling they're... And these other ones, oh, look at these. Look at these, look at these, look at these. Aren't these cool? They're vintage. They're clips. I don't think they have a name. They look like they should, don't they? They look, and they feel substantial, like a designer would do. Maybe the other one's marked. Let me check. Oh, we're gonna hit the 15-minute mark, and I don't want to do that, but I gotta finish. Okay, I'm gonna say $5 on those too, and that's really a good deal. They're really pretty. And these are magnificent. Look at these. They're wood carved dangles. Are these, I don't know if that's wood or if that's something else, and there's little beads holding. These are like fabulous. And they're clips. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Look, guys. It's missing. Oh. Well, I don't know what to say. If you know how to fix it, you can buy them for, oh, are you ready? $3. Oh my God, they would be like $25, $30. Those earrings. What is this? What is, okay. Well, let me see. Let's do these. These look cool. These are straw. Gold straw. Like the hair of Rapunzel. Wasn't it like gold straw? Getting weird now. They're really cute. I'm gonna say $2. I'll give you a deal on those. And these came on a card. I think they buy these now. People just put stuff on them. I don't think they came on. And they have the lever backs, which are really nice. And they're like a AB crystal and an amber color crystal. Oh, they're kind of pretty, aren't they? And they're very nicely made. I'm going to say $3. And I see one thing by itself. Look, because here's these two. What is this? Oh my God. It's a single earring. Look what it is. It's a snake. And it's glass. It's gold. It's glass. Oh my. Do you see its head? Oh, let me get it focused for you. It's a single earring. I guess if you wore, like I said, a lot of people have more than one piercing. You can wear it on your lobe because it's a dangle and then wear another earring somewhere else because it's really cool. I hate to just, I bet it's Murano. I wonder if it's, I wonder if it's sterling. Well, anyhow, whatever it is, $2. How about that? And the last pair are just a pair of dangles with these are cold. I think this is glass, but it's fairly lightweight. I can't get them to dangle. That's what they look like. If I can get this one, we're good. And that will be $1. How about $1? They're pretty. They have beads and glass chips. That's what these square things are. They're glass. Cool, $1. Oh, I'm going to show you one more thing. I lied. It's hanging right here. Ooh, see him? Do you see him? It's a snake. I just got this in a lot, and I threw it in here on the thing, and I thought, oh, why not offer it to you? It's really cool. It's rhinestones and black rhinestone eyes, and there's the back. Looks well made and nice, and a nice just plain, I don't know, I guess that's a link chain, I don't know. And it has a lobster claw and extender. It's very long. Let me get my ruler out real quick and try to tell you. The chain itself is 12, so it's 24 inches plus the snake. Oh man, I don't know. Just got this guy in. He's really cool. I'm going to say 7 on him. And that is it. So I have more coming, so get ready next week. I'm going to give you a break. And be watching my daily videos because I'm putting some really good stuff out there. A little higher price, some of them, but they're really fine jewelry at very good discounts to you guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.